HotBox Kitchen. Cheers. Let's get cooking. What's on today's menu, you may ask? We're making some creamy Dijon Dill Chicken. Hello, creamy dill sauce. I don't have the creamy dill sauce out yet. Let's open it up. We got our broccoli. We got our dill. We got our Dijon monster. Our sour cream. Our chicken stock concentré. Entertainers. We also got our chicken cutlets. Our prep station. Our pans were prepped this time. Let's wash our produce quickly. I'll be right back. Produce is washed. Oven is already preset to 450 degrees. And I gotta dice the potatoes now. Choppity chop chop. Alright, let's get out of my way. Move! Thank you. Lucky he's already dead. Alright, get out of my way. Sorry. Roll the sleeves up a little bit. Half-inch pieces. Why are you so quiet? I don't want to cut myself. Very sharp knife. Big knife. The big boy knife. Big boy. We can judge my sizing afterwards. And consistency. But I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Now I fuck up. The knife slipped. Mom, it's not my fault. Bah! 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 Gross. I found a big piece. There's bound to be a partner. But other than those, not too shabby, eh? Potatoes are cut. Now a pinch of salt and pepper. I'll drizzle with oil first. Drizzle with oil. salt. Pepper. I'm gonna go an extra mile. Add a little garlic, because I like my garlic. I like my garlic. Start roasting these. Watch out, Leo. For 20 to 25 minutes. And we always start low. Low. 20 minutes. Then we check. Meanwhile, we'll pat that chicken dry. Open. Drain the juices. Gross. Salmonella away. If you heard the timer, I don't know if I kept it in there or not, but I had to go switch my laundry quickly. Well, that can wait a second. This piece of chicken has seen better days for sure. HelloFresh. Gross. A little oil. And they want us to heat over medium high. If you didn't get the medium oil reference, this is Paula D. She's my homegirl. She wrote to me when I was in 6th grade. Because I wrote to her. Get on my level. Yeah. Everyone try to cancel her. Cancel you. Cheers. That was a big one. Oh yeah. This should just be about done, I think. Get the coffees out. So, damn, that really got me. We're gonna take the chicken stock, put it into a measuring cup, and then we need 2 tablespoons of water. So you got half, 1, half, and a 2. Use that for the heat and get this stirred up. And then we're also adding some mustard and dill into here as well, just to make it easy peasy transfer. Open. Open. Thank you. feel like they gave it a lot of dill. Like, do they expect us to really use a lot of this? I mean, give us our money's worth. Definitely. They just say like use as much as you want, and it's like I need some guidelines. Oops. Get in here. Alright, we'll start with that. We're gonna pull our chicken out of the pan. It's time to rest. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the oven off. And just let our veggies sit in there. We're gonna pour our sauce in here. Turn the heat back on to low. Oh, it says medium heat. Okay. Okay. Oh, good. I see you. Get another spoon. And we're gonna get all the goodness that's stuck onto the pan and get that infused into our sauce. That's the secrets that they don't tell you. All the green juices. They smell good. That smell good. This shit bussin'. That shit bussin'. And we're just gonna let that thicken up just a little bit. You want to get to like a drizzling consistency. Take our veggies out. We won't take all veggies out of the oven. Boo-boo-boo. That's my dab right, if you were able to hear that and are curious. What's a dab right, you might ask? It's just a thermal reader for my banger for the dabs. So I'm not killing my lungs. Taking that to correct temperature every single time. Really optimizing every single part of the experience. That's what I'm all about. And you're really eating all. What am I trying to say? That's what those dads will do to you. You get the whole experience. Fuck me. You'll get higher, essentially. Because you're not burning away all the THC like most people do when they take it at such high temperatures. We're almost there with the sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see how it's coating the pan? Yeah. We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! Come with me now! We did it! Dora, yeah? Drizzle, drizzle.
Every last bit.
I like my stuff saucy. I like my stuff saucy. And I'm gonna come over for the potatoes. Issues. Okay. Alright. Even though I put oil on you, I see you. I like taters. That garlic was the right move. Let me tell you what. Now for the taste. I gotta take a picture quick. Get my fork. Grab one of these taters first. Grab another couple of those real quick. Enjoy that as much as I'm enjoying it. Alright, chicken. see what you got. Check and make sure it's fully cooked. We're good. Killer. Killer. This is a bomb.com. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go eat this shit up. Thanks for